I'm joined now by one of the big players in Haryana. In Haryana, it's 5-5. 5 for the India Alliance, 5 for the NDA. The Congress leading in Ambala, Hisar, Rohtak, Sirsa and Sonipat. If I look at the vote share, Deepinder Hooda joins us. Remember, the Hoodas now far more clearly in charge of the Congress in Haryana than they were the last time. 43.8% vote share for the Congress, 46.4% for the BJP. This is the tightest battle anywhere in North India where it's head-on-head, BJP versus Congress. And if I add the 4% of the AAP, then the India Alliance is in fact ahead of the BJP. Hooda Saab, congratulations on the results that have come so far from Haryana. What's your reading of the data coming from your state?
Rahul, thank you for your wishes. I would like to thank the people of Haryana and the people of my constituency for showering their blessings on us, supporting us. This election marks a remarkable turnaround in Haryana. Last time, if you remember, Congress just had just 28% vote share in the Lok Sabha. This time, we, according to our calculation, we are crossing 45% vote share. We have already won 5 seats. In Rohtak, I am leading by 3,20,000 votes, and certain counting is going on. We have won Hisar by more than 50,000 votes. We have won Sirsa seat by more than 2.5 lakh votes. We have won Sonipat seat by more than 25,000 votes. And we have won Ambala by 42,000 votes. Contest is going on in Kurukshetra, which is the margin is narrow. And we are narrowly behind in Bhiwani. 3 seats, BJP has clearly won. So it's last time when we, from Haryana, we drew a blank, got 28%. 4 months later, when the elections of assembly were held, we got 31 seats. And BJP could only manage 41 seats and was able to form the government with support of Dushyant Chautala. We, according to our information, out of 90 assembly segments, we have led in 52 assembly segments. So we are thankful to the people. We have led in many more assembly segments. BJP is leading in 36, 37 segments. So
when you look at the national picture, Deepinder Hooda, what do you think is the message that's gone out in Haryana? 5 versus 5 at this moment, India versus NDA. What do you think when you look at the national picture? The BJP is struggling to reach anywhere close to a simple majority by itself. How do you read the national picture, Deepinder?
National picture ये है कि हम लोगों का धन्यवाद करते हैं. लोगों ने भाजपा के घमंड, अपनी वोट की चोट से भाजपा के घमंड को तोड़ा है. ये ट्रिप पिक्चर है. और जो मेहनत कांग्रेस पार्टी ने, राहुल गांधी जी ने जो मेहनत करी थी, कांग्रेस पार्टी ने जो ईमानदारी से मेहनत करी, पिछले 5 वर्ष से आप देखते हैं लगातार हम सड़कों पर हैं. अन्याय के विरुद्ध हमने लड़ाई लड़ी. भाजपा घमंड यहां तक पहुंच गया था. कहीं किसान आंदोलन में इनके केंद्रीय मंत्री किसानों को उनकी गाड़ियों के तले कुचला जा रहा था, लेकिन उनको टिकट दी जा रही थी. कहीं ऐसे इनके भाजपा के सांसद थे जिनके ऊपर हमारी महिला पहलवानों पे दुष्कर्म के आरोप लग रहे थे, लेकिन उनके बेटे को टिकटें भाजपा देने का काम कर रही थी. कहीं इनके घमंड में इतना हो गया था कि 400 पार का नारा देकर बाबा साहब द्वारा बनाए गए संविधान को तोड़ने की, खत्म करने की बातें भाजपा कर रही थी. तो आज मैं समझता हूं कि वो जो घमंड तो चकनाचूर इस देश में सभी का हुआ है. घमंड तो सदा किसी का रहा नहीं है. तो आज घमंड टूटा है भाजपा का. और कांग्रेस पार्टी, राहुल गांधी जी ने जिस रूप से मेहनत करी, आप लोग सभी हमेशा उनकी क्रिटिसिज्म करते रहते थे. मैं आपकी व्यक्तिगत बात नहीं कर रहा, मैं मीडिया की बात कर रहा हूं. लेकिन उन्होंने दिन रात जो मेहनत करी है, मैं समझता हूं ये उसकी भी जीत है. और हरियाणा के अंदर जो कांग्रेस पार्टी ने जिस रूप से जो जिम्मेदारी चौधरी भूपेंद्र सिंह हुड्डा जी के कंधों पे दी थी, ये उस जिम्मेदारी को निभाने का काम हुड्डा साहब ने, चौधरी उदय भान जी ने भी किया है. तो मैं हरियाणा के लोगों का और रोहतक लोकसभा क्षेत्र वासियों का मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूँ, देशवासियों का भी धन्यवाद करता हूँ।
Okay, now what implication do you think, Dipender ji, this Lok Sabha result could have on the assembly results, elections that happen a few weeks from now? See, Naveen Jindal, you're saying in Kurukshetra is fighting a tough battle. Actually, our data suggests that there's quite a substantial gap now between Sushil Gupta and Naveen Jindal. I don't think that election can turn now. You also mentioned Karnal as being in contest. Even in Karnal, the BJP's Manohar Lal Khattar, massive lead. But you're winning in central Haryana, the BJP leading in the north and in the south. What implications do you think this could have on the assembly elections? Because the BJP is hoping that as the Jats consolidate behind you, that there could be a counter consolidation amongst the other Biradris.
No, there is no, every section has voted for us. See, you are talking about North Haryana, we have won Ambala. A seat from where, what consolidation you are saying, Ambala is a seat where all the sections of Haryani society is present, and it's a mostly urban constituency with 3 municipal corporations. So we have won Ambala also. So we have won Ambala, we have won Sirsa, we have won Sonipat, we have won Hisar. So we have won 5 seats. We do hope that still we are not out of contest in 2 seats. Karnal I am already conceding, but 2 seats. But you know, the implication is this, Rahul, broader picture. When we led in last Lok Sabha elections, Congress led only 11 segments, assembly segments. Then when Vidhan Sabha election were held, we won 31 seats. This time we are leading in 52 assembly segments in Haryana already in Lok Sabha elections. So BJP state government has lost vote of confidence, has lost numbers. उनका विश्वास मत विधानसभा में भी उनके पास नंबर नहीं है, वहां भी उनके खिलाफ अविश्वास प्रस्ताव हम लेके आएंगे, क्योंकि वो केवल 41 विधायकों की सरकार रह गई है, ना विधानसभा में विश्वास उनके पास बचा है, और लोगों ने भी उनके खिलाफ अविश्वास प्रस्ताव इस लोकसभा चुनाव में पारित कर दिया है। भाजपा को केवल 36-37 विधानसभा सीटों पे भाजपा की लीड आई है, कांग्रेस 52 सीटों पे लीड कर रही है। तो
My colleague Gaurav Sawant has a question for you. Gaurav,
ये सरकार, भाजपा की सरकार अब ज्यादा चल नहीं पाएगी हरियाणा में। ये कोई चुनाव 4 महीने बाद का चुनाव नहीं बचा। मेरा ये मानना है कि हरियाणा में जल्दी चुनाव होंगे। आज भी मैं आपके माध्यम से मांग करता हूं कि ये अल्पमत की सरकार हरियाणा में चल रही है। अल्पमत की सरकार,
is this more the caste combination that has worked? Is this anger over Agniveer, or is this, as you put it, the arrogance? What worked for you? What didn't work for the BJP?
See, I'll tell you, Rahul, you'll understand this. In my own Lok Sabha, there are 9 assembly segments. I have led in all 9. I have led from Rohtak city, which has the highest population of Punjabi Samaj, Baniya Samaj, and all the other communities. I have led from Kosli, which has the highest population of Ahir Samaj and all the other Samaj. So this politics of divide and rule by the BJP, people have voted against the politics. BJP wants to divide on caste lines, communal lines. This politics of divide and rule has been defeated in Haryana. That is what I'm saying. You look at the composition of all the assembly segments from which Congress is leading. That itself will prove my point. We have led in assembly segments where nobody believed that we will lead. And that's why our vote share and BJP's vote share is almost, I think, we may be ahead of BJP when the final count comes.
Huda Saab, for joining us.